In this video, we are going to see how we can block the pop-ups and redirects in Microsoft Edge. So what we want to do is from the Microsoft Edge, we click on the right hand corner and click on the three dots and head over to the settings. We then go to the privacy search and services and we click on the site permissions and then we click on all permissions. And from here, we see pop-ups and redirects. Click on that. If for some reason you want to allow that, you just toggle that off. Otherwise, do you toggle that on. And for a customized behavior, you can add or remove some of the sites here. You can specially mention that, and that is how it works. After that, as soon as you exit, the settings should be changed or saved right away. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.